So how much does a website cost? That's a question I hear a lot from contractors, and my answer is usually, well, how much does a house cost? You might wonder, what the heck does a house have to do with a website? Stick around, because in this video, we're going to give you the facts on what actually affects the cost of a website and how you can plan for your next redesign.
Tricks of the trade. This is when the thing comes in. Tricks of the trade.
Hi, I'm Brandon, owner and designer, Tradies.ca, a service for contractors looking to grow their business, get more leads, and make more money. You see, much like a house, there are a lot of variables that affect the price of a website. The main factors are size and complexity. A nice looking 10-page site with a regular contact form is going to cost a lot less than a completely custom 20-page site that's got all the bells and whistles. In terms of actual dollars, much like a contractor, this will all depend on the level of experience your web person has. If you're hiring a freelancer that hasn't been in the game long, they'll probably be pretty cheap. But remember, you get what you pay for. And if you're hiring an agency, they most likely have a process to take you through. They should start by talking about your goals and will most likely provide a great overall experience throughout your project. Based on the level of experience of your web person, a website can range anywhere from $500 to more than $10,000. Yeah, that's certainly a big price range, but again, much like a house, a website should be seen as an investment. And there's that house reference again. Let me explain. So most people purchase a house so they have a place to live. But over the years, repairs, upgrades, and market value will decide the price when you eventually sell. Your investment in your house usually gets you back what you originally paid plus a profit. With a business website, you're essentially investing in an online salesman that never sleeps and loves to sell 24/7. So not only should you be making back the money you originally invested in your website through the new business it generates, but it should keep generating newer income long after you've recouped your costs. A rule of thumb is to put 5 to 10% of your business's overall revenue aside into a fund to be used for marketing. And in the grand scheme of things, 5% shouldn't really put a noticeable dent in your wallet, but it will add up fast and gives you the breathing room to plan your new site properly. And once you've got the budget saved, don't just hire the agency with the lowest quote or the flashiest graphics. Make sure to hire an agency that will take the time to understand your business and will work with you to create a plan to get those dollars coming in. We'll talk about some of the things to look for in a web designer in another video, but in the meantime, we'd love to hear if you've recently been through a redesign, what your experience was like. Let us know in the comments below. Visit Tradies.ca to learn more about our services created just for contractors. And if you're watching on YouTube, there may be another video or two linked on either side of my head here. So go ahead, check one out for more great tips. Like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video.